In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an artboard in Adobe XD. Let's dive right in and explore how you can craft these essential components for your design projects. First things first, you'll want to open your project in Adobe XD. Once you've got that ready on your screen, it's time to access the Artboard tool, a key feature you'll become very familiar with. There are a couple of ways to do this. For a straightforward approach, look for the Artboard icon in the toolbar. It usually resembles a rectangle with a plus sign inside it. Clicking this icon will activate the Artboard tool for you. If shortcuts are more your style, you can simply press the A key on your keyboard. This will achieve the same outcome, allowing you to quickly bring focus to the creation of artboards. With the Artboard tool now active, you have the flexibility to choose how you want your artboard to appear. You can select a preset size from the Properties panel, such as an iPhone screen or a Web 1920 pixel frame, depending on what suits your design needs. Alternatively, if you wish to create something unique or tailored, click and drag on the canvas to draw a custom-sized artboard. This gives you total control over the size specifications. Once your artboard exists on the canvas, you'll want to ensure it's easily identifiable. To do this, you can rename the artboard by double-clicking on its title. You'll find this in the top left corner of the artboard, making it your canvas's unique ID. This simple step helps immensely in organizing your workspace, especially when working on multiple screens or device layouts. Should you need to reposition additional artboards, a neat trick is to place them side by side. This layout arrangement could be particularly handy if you're designing for various screens or device types simultaneously and wish to maintain consistency. Now, if you find yourself needing to resize an existing artboard, here's how you can go about it. First, click on the artboard's background or border to select it. You'll observe that resize handles appear on the sides and corners. To change both width and height simultaneously, drag any corner handle. For adjusting just one dimension, such as width or height, use the side handles. But what if you need specific dimensions? No worries. With your artboard selected, head over to the right-hand Property Inspector panel. Here, you'll find fields labeled Width W and Height H. You can enter the precise pixel dimensions you desire, for instance, setting the width to 1440 and height to 1024 before pressing Enter to apply these changes. Thinking of changing the orientation of your artboard? It's simple. Swap the width and height values to switch from portrait to landscape or vice versa. Alternatively, pick a different preset if that better suits your needs. As you make these adjustments, keep an eye on your content. Especially if anything is positioned relative to the artboard's edges, resizing could affect layout and spacing, so a check afterward is a good practice. Remember, Adobe XD offers a feature known as Responsive Resize, which can help you effortlessly adjust content as your artboard size changes, adding an additional layer of flexibility to your design process.